We've got 2 days back to back at sea. I'm going to show you what you do on your days at sea. We're started it off with a Bee Move dance class. Then we have a really cool fruit and ice carving that you just gotta see. This is our first night of formal night. So I'm going to show you how we move and groove for a formal night. And then I have a surprise for you for our cruise director. The next day, it's time to chill out, explore the ship, and I'm going to show you what it means to have showtime in the restaurant. We've got a lot going on, and I love that you're here with us. Let's get started on our next adventures. Something that is very popular that's been started on a lot of Carnival cruises is this Bee Move dance class. These are fitness-based classes designed for all experience levels. Now these focus on really easy to follow and like feel-good dance moves. The music is upbeat, and each different day it was a special theme, like maybe 70s music or background singer music, 80s music. And what I really thought was special was the dance instructor. I did not expect her to be an older lady with gray hair, full of energy, vivacious, and full of the moves. I saw lots of people sitting over here enjoying themselves, but there were a lot more people out on the dance floor enjoying the moves, including my family. Of course, I sat and tried to look pretty and just watched. We just had a great third day. We got up this morning and went downstairs and had, actually we went upstairs and had a great brunch. And then we decided to do a dance class. It was lots of fun. Come back to the room and this is who is waiting for us. All right, everybody in the comments, tell me, what is he? And, or she, and what would you name him? As I lay here in the bed chilling on a Tuesday, because that's also part of what you do when you're on a cruise, I have a question for you. What do you do on your sea days? Today is our first sea day, and I used to not like sea days. I used to think they were boring, but as I've gotten older, I like them more and more. This is the time to chill, to relax, let your feet rest, and to explore the ship. But I have a question for you. What do you do on your sea days? Is that a day that you go wild and explore everything on the ship? You go to parties? Is that a day that you chill, recuperate, and relax? Is it a drinking day, a party day? I would love to know. Drop it down in the comments. What is your favorite way to enjoy a sea day? It is our first formal night. All right, take a look at our fit. The obligatory shot in the middle of the room to check it out. So it is formal night, our first formal night, and we are in our Marco Polo restaurant. Tonight is lobster night. I'm so excited about that. I'm going to keep you posted on everything that we're going to have to eat, everything that we're going to do for this formal tonight.
How are you?
Formal night tonight, I decided to have the chocolatini, nice slow pour. I'm thinking it's going to be great.
That will, if you drink that too fast, it's almost tastes like a dessert.
Yeah.
And then it's like, thank you.
It's like a Hershey bar with alcohol. Cheers. Next on the menu is mushroom soup here. And it looks delicious. Let's try it out. Very hot.
Give you bad memories, huh? Yeah.
It's very rich and it tastes just like a mushroom. If you like mushrooms, you will like this soup. Tastes barley and the earthiness of the mushroom. Creamy, delicious. All right, we decided to get 2 entrees tonight. We have the lobster, which is lobster, broccoli, and looks like mashed potatoes. The one thing I can say from many, many years of cruising is the lobster has shrunk. And the chicken cordon bleu. We wanted to try both. I'm gonna let you know how those are. So I put a little lemon on my lobster, dipped it in some of the butter. Just a tad overcooked. It's almost dry, but still not bad enough that I would complain at all. Lobster's good. Mashed potatoes are creamy and buttery. And the broccoli is al dente. Not much salt or pepper on it, but still good. Now, the cordon bleu. I put a little lemon on top of that as well. That cordon bleu is plump and tender. It has that yummy cheese in the middle. The coating is nice and crispy. I might like this more than the lobster. Wow. All right, I'm about to eat dinner. And finally, for dessert, I've got a classic creme brulee. And can you go wrong with creme brulee? So where was the part where day 4, and we are on the Lido deck, where all the fun happens. Which way do you want to go? Back that way or back over this way? Oh, okay, I guess we're going back this way. I don't know. Here you go. This is the seafood shack, and I guess, like you can imagine, what you get there: seafood. Back to the Lido marketplace. We're on the Lido deck right now waiting for a fruit and vegetable carving demonstration. Let's check it out.
1 and begin. There we go. Oh, girl, what song is this? There we go. Let's see if we've got something in mind here. I don't know how they do it. Any of you have seen the ice carving? That one blows my mind too, but now as good as these look, we're not going to be eating them. That's for Edwina. She's taking it back to her cabin. On the Lido deck. Y'all feel free, get those pictures. These watermelons will be headed back to the buffet for you, whatever they're calling about it. But in the meantime,
our fourth day aboard the ship, and we've had a really good time. We went to brunch. We then went to a dance class. No, we went to a fruit carving on the Lido. That was a lot of fun. We went to a dance class. I spent some time in the adult arcade making those points for my next free cruise. And then we did some trivia. Now it is time for dinner, and I'm going to show you what we're having tonight. We're having the broccoli cheese soup again, and it is delicious, rich, creamy. It doesn't have like chunks or bits of broccoli, but it still is very good. And then shrimp cocktail. I went for 2 appetizers to get me started today. For dinner tonight, we have spaghetti carbonara. And I got the salmon, which is on the menu any day. And also grilled chicken, which is also another that is on the menu every day. After a very fulfilling dinner, it is now time for the show. It's called Color Me. You know what? I'll put the right name here. And so we're in the theater waiting for the show. I just have to show you one more time. I know I've already shown you the theater, but I want to show you one more time just how beautiful the Venezia is, the decor. Look at the ceiling for the theater. We are back from the show, and here is the friend who was waiting for us. Once again, I'm going to ask you down in the comments, what is it? And give me a name for this little cutie. Well, that is all for now. Please do join us tomorrow when we hit Aruba. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll catch you at the next adventure.